TradeLog. He's just becoming a full-time trader. I think next week, right? He's leaving his job, even moving country and trading then as of there full-time. Well, that was a fantastic day. That's one day, 3 trades, all winners, and overall 4.6 hour result. Well, let's have a look at that. Today we already had our futures live trading day, and some of those trades Kai took. He lives in Germany. Some of those trades he took, well, one trade he took before the live trading day, and 2 of those actually reflects what we've been doing and discussing during the live trading day. Well, let's have a look now at these trades. Well, that's a fantastic start, right? Let's have a look at it. So it was an energies day. Crude oil, heating oil and gasoline, all those charts moved really nicely on the 1 minute chart, and we got patterns on the 1 minute. Now this is the first one, crude oil, 1 minute results 2.6 hour. Let's have a look at that. An S2, well, that is an S2. I can immediately see it, right? I can see it's nicely embedded in the mid frame into the moving average band. 8 and 21 are dynamic support, and that's very important. Basically, those moving averages, they lift, it's an edge, right? They lift prices higher and they protect the stop as well. As we can see, this is the entry, this is the stop. So the stop goes right here and is protected. The stop is protected by the 8, by the 21, even by the 34. Really nice entry, very low risk idea. That has a very big reward to risk. This is the measured move. This is the stop. So that's like an 8 or 9 reward to risk ratio. We are trending. We're even super trending here. We're EMA trending here quite for a long time. Well, that's a high win rate, high quality trade. Very tight stop, slightly tilted to the right. Right here, the line. If you draw a line here visually, like mentally, and this line, it's slightly tilted to the right. Cutting through price action is not a problem, because this is the ATL, the line that best fits, right? Best fit line. Now the lowest low we identified by the lowest wick, so it's this one here, and the lowest low, it's actually the cluster of these 3 lows, right? That represents the lowest low. And if you have a cluster of lows, well, then you choose where do you want to start, right? It doesn't do well. Well, we could have actually drawn the ATL from here as well, and along here that would be the same result, but I think this was the right, more logic place to start from here and along this and cutting through, not a problem. You can nicely see how price is actually sitting on support and testing the ATL and re-breaking the ATL and the midline and re-breaking the last dominant high is actually a double top, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop run levels. I've just seen it now. It's an even better quality trade. Let's see now how that price went through the stop run levels. Well, we had an initial push, then a consolidation that could have been an S1 pattern, which did not produce a test bar. It could have been an S2 pattern as well, but we're missing a lower high on the left side. But this is trend following, right? And we can see this is the move. This move actually went to the 4R level. So that's a 4R trade. If you take full profit up here, well, you actually have banked in 4R, right? Kai decided to swing trade that, advanced exits. He sold 50% at 4R, so he's banking in 2R, and then he's trailing the stop, not on the 1 minute, but 1 time frame higher on the 5 minute. And we see it here on the 5 minute behind the 21. Well, then came a big down move, and that stopped out of the trade here, somewhere here, right? And that it's probably more than 0.6 R only. That might be a little bit higher, your overall result. It should be higher actually than 2.6. This is the next trade. Heating oil, S3, 1 minute. We discussed that during our live trading day. I've actually added the entry chart because Kai didn't have that available. This is the entry chart from our live trading day. We are super trending. This is the pullback. We are actually seeing this test bar consolidation. We were waiting for a test bar. Well, this is it. And then we entered here with the stop here and basically trying to run this higher. And it worked out quite nicely. So this became a break-even trade here, selling half of the position. Then there was another pullback. We thought, well, we might get another S3 entry to build a pyramid, but it was much too big, the test bar, and it's a two-leg pullback. We don't want that. Then there's another pullback. We thought we could trade that. No test bar, not small enough, not a low-risk idea, too big, the bars. And then it comes back again, and this is again too big of a test bar, and that actually stopped us out. That's a huge pullback. It goes well beyond the 21, and with an S3, well, you get stopped out, right? That's clear, and that's an 0.8 hour result. Up here we've already been above the 2 hour, right? So there would have been an option, for example, to bank in additional profits up here, to bank in full at 2.5 hour. Only that trade can only get you to your weekly target, right? If you bank in full at 2.5. No, sorry, we already sold half here. Well, it would have been like more than 1 hour, right? Right, so this is RB now. S1 as well in the 1 minute. We discussed that during the live trading day. Yeah, this is the one Kai found out about this one. This is the test bar, entry, stop, nicely touching the 21 moving average. Clearly EMA trending, super trending on the higher frame. We've got a cluster of trends, high frame in combination with the high frame, which is required for the rules. And okay, well, he closed that before going to bed, basically 10 p.m. German time, and that delivered at 1.2. That delivered at 1.2 hour. So during the live trading day, we actually took then this trade here. That's an S2, and let's have a look at it. It got then later stopped out with this move. This is how it looks like. Yeah, okay. I've added the screenshot as well. So that was the entry. This is the test bar touching the ATL. This is where the stop goes, and then yeah, it went higher. I don't have the exit chart. It went higher, and then it got stopped out. It got stopped out with minus half hour. So fantastic start, Kai here, into becoming a full-time trader. 1 day, 4.6 hour. 100% win rate, 3 trades in 3 contracts, all on the 1 minute chart. Well, that's quite good.